Hey dreamers, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today I am bringing you along a quiet European street filled with charm and colors. Imagine walking through these narrow lanes and a scent of fresh flowers hanging from balconies and soft sunlight falling on warm yellow and blue walls. This painting is more than just colors. It's about capturing that cozy feeling of wandering through an old town where every corner tells a story. So, let's dive into this watercolor tutorial and paint this dreamy street together. So, let's get started. I have already done a light sketching of the street layout with the archway, the stairs, and the walls, keeping the perspective simple. Notice how these steps lead your eyes deeper into the lane. That's what gives the painting its depth. Think of it as sketching on invitation into the painting, a doorway into another world. Now I am filling the left wall with a soft yellow wash, keeping it warm and bright, while the right one gets a soothing light blue. This contrast makes the street lively and cheerful. As I paint, I imagine the sunlight falling on the yellow walls, warming up the street, while the blue walls keeps the space cool and calm. The stairs are painted in earthy brown and greys, giving them a natural stone-like look. As the brush moves, I picture myself climbing these stairs slowly, hearing the faint sounds of laughter and footsteps echoing in the alley. Here comes the most vibrant part, the flowers. I am using dabs of red, orange, green, and white to create tiny blossoms. Notice how just a few strokes of color brings the whole street alive. These flower pots and hanging vines are like the soul of this little lane, adding life, freshness, and joy. The archway frames the background beautifully, pulling us deeper into the scene. To finish, I add shadows to the steps, details on the windows, and little lamp hanging from the wall. These details give the painting a character, making it look like a real place for you could walk into. Art has the power to take us to places even without moving our feet. Through this painting, I felt like I was traveling down a beautiful street from far away, and I hope you felt the same. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art journeys with me. Till then, whispering off.